Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're sitting at your table daydreaming about starting your own business, then this is the right video for you. Because in this video, I'm going to show you 7 most important steps to do this. You already know that launching a business process requires tons of hard work. And this video will help you to reduce that work by giving you step-by-step process. Here comes the first step, deciding what business to start. I know this seems obvious if you have already made the decision, but there are so many people out there who wanted to start business but may be confused with what to start and where to begin. You can't move forward if you have not yet done with this. So take up one business you're interested in and start doing. Step 2. Write a business plan. Don't worry because this doesn't have to be 100 pages or 200 pages document describing everything about your business plan or future plan. It doesn't need to be as hard as that. It can be super simple. You can make business plans that is short as one page or more than 2 pages. That is enough and it'll give you more clarity about what you're trying to do. Step 3. Register your business. You have to register your business name, logo, and so on. Then you have to complete the legal framework for your business. Legally registering your business can save you from a lot of headaches and financial troubles. You can contact a legal expert for your business to have the right information and build your legal framework. Step 4. Build a team. Most entrepreneurs work alone in developing or launching their ideas. But starting and growing a business requires a lot more work. Not every people have the ability to cover all the required bases, and many don't realize that building a team is critical, which is why I split it into simple steps. The first step is to assemble people who are interested and able to work as a team. Find people who share your vision and have confidence in you. And each teammate must be determined to bring their best. Step 5. Validate your business idea. This is a mistake so many new entrepreneurs make when they are trying to start a business. They have business idea, they write business plan, they don't even know if for sure they might be building a business that people aren't interested in. I mean, you probably wouldn't go invest money into some random business and you have no idea if it's going to be successful. I don't want you to do this. I want you to take steps to validate your business plan. This process involves research methodology to convince business investors that your idea is worthy to invest, and you must conduct investors interviews and website usage tests to figure out whether the market is interested in offering. And I'll give you the overview of validating your plan below. 1. Ask open ended questions. Avoid collecting biased responses. 2. Test sales. Consider trade fairs. 3. Social media surveys. Focus on asking the right thing in right way and make sure you have the following and website to support your test. Step 6. Financing your business. So you all know it costs money to start a business, right? But if you don't have enough money to start, request to a business loan. To increase your chance, you must have clear business plan, expense sheet and projections for the first 2 or 3 years. These things will give you an idea how much you will need to ask for and will help the bank know they are making right choice by giving a loan. Step 7. Create a website and social media pages for your business. If you're going to start a business, then you must have to create a website because it helps you to build your business easier. Your website is the most important digital asset for your business. Website is the first place people go to learn about your products or services and find information about your business. You can double your business if you have a great online presence. Social media platforms allows you to share your content quickly and easily to large number of potential customers at little to no cost. Social media pages has a huge opportunity to be a brand awareness and sales tool for your business. So, these are the steps to start your own business. If you found this video useful, then like, share and subscribe this channel to get further videos. And thanks for watching.